everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today this is my project share for a swap I'm in. I'm in a swap hosted by Janiva, purposely crafting a divine intervention, and she's hosting a swap that is a juicy fruit swap. There is a hashtag, it's juicy fruit 2023 swap. And so what's included in the swap is 2 bows, 2 tags, 2 bag toppers, a memorydex sequence mix, and any type of package that we prefer. And so this is what I created. This is definitely inspired by Shara Crane. So I'm not sure who created the or who invented loaded bags, but this is a Shara Crane style with the paper bag. And so I would, if you know who created that, please let me know. I would love to put them in the description as well. And so, yeah, I thought that this was fitting, this paper bag, considering it's fruit and it's like a farmer's market type of thing. So that's the kind of style that I was going for a very fun farmer's market theme. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on into it. So the paper that I'm using is by Cartabella. And I haven't used this kit at all. So it is a Summer Market by Cartabella. You guys, this paper is super thick. I've never used Cartabella. However, it was very nice to use. So let's get into the swap. So here I do have a pocket and I have all of my stuff packed inside. I didn't get to finish what I wanted to do with this. There's so much detail that I wanted to add. So on the back, I have my information. I also have, I didn't get to do wire wrapping, so I included the little kit here for that. And so in the front, let's go ahead and dig in. So right away, you can see here is a sequence mix. I'm calling this watermelon pineapple. And I completely forgot to add a tassel. So that'll be included soon. Let me move these out of the way so the glare doesn't hit. Okay, and then I also included a pick. So here's a pick that I made here. All I did was add some, all of my stuff fell out. I added crepe paper. And then so here you pull out this pineapple. I made this clip here, hand painted. I added those veneers from Dollar Tree. So hand painted that onto a clip from Joann's. This is a SVG file. I have it linked below from the Silhouette Design Store. Here is my sequence mix. There's no fruit in it, but I made it to be a fruit. So this is watermelon, just watermelon. And so there it is. So I included 2 sequence mixes. And then here I'm also sharing some stickers with them. These are Jolie stickers. They're like 3D stickers. Has the cluster of sequence and also some, it looks like some plastic. So I'm adding the word sweet here by Scrap Diva. Very simply done. So here is a banner that says summer. It's also made with Scrap Diva Designs dies. This is the word die and also the pin flag die. So that's it. Let's go ahead and turn this around. So I'll take this out later. So that is the fruit wire wrapping kit there. So all of my stuff fell out back here. So I'm going to go ahead and work with what's over here. So first off is this pick and it says, hey you. And then I made this here, which you guys have already seen. Added this watermelon pick and it's my first tag. So, and here's a lemon slice. Just wanted to make a lemon slice to go with this tag. I thought it would be just neat to do that instead of a bag topper. You guys, I made like 18 bag toppers altogether. So it was so much. Here are my bows. So this is the Cartabella paper and then I added a cherry. The cherry is Scrap Diva. The leaves are for my stash. It's a Sizzix die. Here, this is also Sizzix die that I used here. I used felt. The word is Scrap Diva. The bloom is Scrap Diva. I meant to use the blossom die and I ended up using bloom. So instead of it saying cherry blossom, it says cherry bloom. So that's all I did there for that one. And then here's my memorydex card. I could pull this one out because I haven't taped it. So this is my memorydex card. I'm using the miniature memorydex cards from die from Scrap Diva Designs. I added an SVG file inside the lemonade stand. Such a cute little lemonade stand. This is all SVG. The only thing that is die is the Scrap Diva. And then inside, what you have to do is lift is a pick. And what I do is you just lift it up and just pull it out. There we go. So as you can see, the inside little tiny box, and here is a Scrap Diva Designs die. It is the cocktail die, and I am using the lemon slice that came in it, and I made it into a shaker. I don't know if you could see that. But I'm also using the word sweet, also Scrap Diva, but it's just a cute little clothespin. I love making clothespins. Just love how they look on projects. So I'm constantly making my own clothespins. I do not care where product comes from. As long as it looks cute, I'm using it. So that is my memorydex card. And inside here is my next tag. This is an orange theme tag. The tag base is made by Scrap Diva Designs as well. It is the Christmas tag. I think it's currently sold out. However, I will have it linked below just in case. These flowers are also Scrap Diva. The leaves are Scrap Diva. The oranges are from a cardstock. And then the rosette is the Sweet Story rosette. And I added some macrame. So that is a macrame from Michaels. Added, says pretty great with the cherry chipboard piece. So that is one of them. Next, I'm adding some handmade fabric ribbon that I made them in the color pink. I thought it went good for like a watermelon theme or a grapefruit theme or a pink lemons. And I wanted to do pink lemonade, but it didn't fit. I was going to do pink here and then lemonade down here, and it didn't fit. So I did pink lemons, and I thought it went good. Here's a veneer that I made with a paper clip, and in the back, this paper here is not Cartabella. This is a SVG file from the Silhouette Design Store. I will have that linked below. So next is the bag topper. So this one's open, so I could open it. This is also made with Scrap Diva dies. The strawberry Scrap Diva, the leaves of Scrap Diva, and the bag topper itself. The base is Scrap Diva. I will have all that linked below. And then so the next thing here is another bag topper, which I've already featured. It is the sunglass shaker bag topper, so I'm not going to show that. And in here I have paper clipped some things, so it's holding all of this stuff here, and then it's also holding the back. So I'm going to unpaper clip that and then bring everything out. So there it is. So now this is flat. Okay, so I'm including these milk bags. These are Daiso milk bags. I'm sharing that with them. Those were gifted to me. And then I'm also adding some of this faux acetate word ephemera that I made with Scrap Diva Designs. So here is the word beach and the word sun and the word sweet. So they get 2 of each. Total 6 word ephemera pieces. And so I'm just including it very simply in this bag. And then again, the last thing is this here is the wire wrapping little kit that I made, and it says summer, barely can tell. It says summer there. And so I have all these paper clipped together. And that is my swap, you guys. That was a lot. So head on over to Purposely Crafting the Divine Intervention, Janiva. Check her out. She is very talented. She has so much to offer. Check out her YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.